Hello, this is Neil from Grade Savers. Today we're doing question 47 from section 7.1. The question is the definite integral from 2 to 5 of x minus 2 times e to the power of, and this is all in the exponent, negative bracket x minus 2 squared divided by 2 dx. Ooh, that's a mouthful. Alright, so u in this case will be equal to minus x minus 2 squared over 2. Basically, the u is everything that's in the exponent of e. So dx will be equal to du over the derivative of this. So now we're going to have to use chain rule. It will be minus 2x minus 2 to the power of 1, but I'm not going to write that there. We should all know there's a power of 1 here. Divided by 2. And it looks like this 2 and this 2 will cancel out. So we're left with simply, oops, just a second. This 2 and this 2 cancel out. So we are left with the integral, or sorry, not the integral, du over negative x minus 2. So we have our u value, we have our dx values. We should also change our bounds. These bounds right now are in terms of x. We should change them to be in terms of u. So when x equals to 2, u will be equal to minus 2 squared over 2, which is simply 0, because 2 minus 2 will be 0. 0 over this denominator will make the entire term 0. When x is equal to 5, u will be equal to minus 5 minus 2 squared over 2, which is simply minus 9 over 2. And again, the equation we're substituting into is this equation here. This tells us the relationship between u and x. So let's begin. Our integral, our bounds are now 0 to negative 9 over 2. And x minus 2 cannot be replaced by u or dx at this point, so we can leave x minus 2 in place. And e to the power of this term here just becomes e to the power of u times du over negative x minus 2. And we could see the x minus 2 and this x minus 2 will cancel out. So let's simplify our integral a little bit. This becomes 0 to negative 9 over 2, negative e to the u du. This negative here comes from the fact that there was still a negative that was remaining in the denominator here. Anything divided by negative 1 is still negative. Alright, now let's solve this question. The integral of negative e to the u is also negative e to the u, and we need to solve this from 0 to negative 9 over 2. So let's substitute our values in. It's always the top value first, minus e to the 9, negative 9 over 2, minus negative e to the 0, and this becomes minus e to the power of negative 9 over 2. Minus times minus is positive, and e to the power of 0 is simply 1, and that's it. Hey, thanks for watching. Grab the PDF from below, and remember the best way to study is to join the Grade Savers review sessions.